Namaste students, Hamesha Kushrobitia. I am JVN Dr. Neeraj Dholia, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jayoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. So today we are going to discuss the practical session, that is the study of microbial production. And this session comes under the subject Medical Biotechnology Lab. So let's start. So generally the primary metabolites are produced in the microorganisms, and the process is known as the fermentation. In the bioreactors, bioprocessors, various types of primary metabolites are produced. So generally the microorganisms are grown in on the inexpensive carbon sources, and that are capable to produce the valuable products such as the amino acids, nucleotides, organic acids, vitamins, and many more. So to achieve a cost effective process, we should consider various factors such as the cost of media and supplements, the process runtime, then that how long the process is running, the bacterial growth and viability, that is the quality of the microorganisms, the product titer and yield, and product quality. So these things matters for the cost effective process. So the microorganisms can produce the primary metabolites in the fermentation process by three different processes, or we can achieve this by using three different methods. One is the batch fermentation, second one is the fed batch culture, and third one is the continuous culture. So what is the batch fermentation? Batch means we collect the product in the batches. Batches means the products, final products are harvested at the end of the process. Means in between you cannot disturb the fermentation process. And in the fed batch culture, you can add fresh media in between the fermentation process. That is the fed batch culture. And third one is the continuous culture. Continuous culture means it is a uh, 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 live type culture. You can add fresh media in between, or you can harvest the metabolites or the used media in between of the fermentation process. So the production of the microorganisms, which, whatever they are produced, can be achieved through the three different processes. So for performing this experiment, you need some materials like the flasks, incubators, the autoclave, culture media, bacterial inocula, distilled water measuring cylinder, and the pH meter. So how to proceed for the study of this practical? So you will start with the three flasks. One will be marked as the batch culture, second will be marked as the fed batch culture, and third one will be marked as a continuous culture. So first of all, you will sterilize the media, and in the three different flasks, you will add the inocula, and you will put them for the incubation. So the three flasks which you have taken, you will mark them as batch, fed batch, and the continuous. So the setup is like that the fed batch marked flask can be fed with fresh media in between, and the continuous marked flask can be maintained by adding fresh media and removing used media in between the fermentation process. So you adjust the things such that in the batch flask, You will harvest the product in the final when the fermentation process is terminated. And in the fed batch culture, you can add the fresh media in between, and in the continuous flask, you can add and remove the used media in between the fermentation process. Observe for the microbial growth after specified incubation time intervals. So the result will, as observed, you will find the result. You can assess any specific protein or recombinant protein, whatever the inocula you have taken depends on that. That if you have taken a specific species of bacteria, then you can measure the specific protein in the all of the three flasks. So precautions are that you can maintain, you have to maintain the proper sterilization processes, because the media can be contaminated if the proper autoclaving or proper sanitization processes are not there. Okay. And the inocula which you have taken for the fermentation process should be taken from the log phase of the uh, culture media. Okay, so these are the precautions. Thank you. Hope you are satisfied with this digital session, and if you have any query, please write in the comment box. I will resolve your query. This session is powered by Digital Version 2, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Thank you.